show y'all what my baby doing. She putting that motherfucking work in. Not playing no motherfucking games out here with this shit. This shit is like, this the only part right here I'm gonna have to cut through some shit like that. So let's go, knee. So, we out here, we rolling, obviously, and this way it look like, visually like conditions. It's good. Y'all see the slow up? Okay, slow it up. Bam. That's how you do it. You ain't finna, if you zoom in there, you're gonna be over there. Somewhere over there. But this how you do it. Now sometimes, like look at the road. Now I hope everybody gets, I gotta get on this line. Alright, anyway. Alright, it's turning. But anyway, I feel like it would be kind of funny documentary. Oh, this ain't nothing to play with. You know what I'm saying? So you really gotta maneuver this motherfucker. Drive like, you know what I'm saying? Like you getting somewhere. Appreciate y'all tuning in, making sure I can get to my destination safe. Alright. So we got some braking up there. When I see that, that means slow your shit. Up. See, up. That's the scary part. You zoom in and they you know what I mean? Uncut. Golly, look how close it is to me, y'all. Like, for no reason. Like, come on, bro. Really? See, that's why you slow down, y'all. It's that bad out. And that's why I go to say puberty things, just because you got you know what I mean, a pickup truck that you won't your ass will spin the fuck out.
Few moments later.
Sticky, icky.
So we got the sticky, so we got the sticky, so we got the sticky, so.
Shit is crazy. We're doing 40 out here. But yeah, you know, one of those videos, man, I'm happy to bring to you. Hopefully it ain't, you know, too messed up, but like I always said, like the best videos is the ones you can, you know what I'm saying, come up from scratch, you know, raw, uncut. Y'all see, this how bad it is. It's real bad. That's icky. Okay. Alright, y'all. I just want to show y'all the, you know what I'm saying, how I look. The effects of how I look out here look terrible. You will get stuck out here if you don't know how to roll out here, man. You can't see me, but I'll holler at you. That's how you roll, y'all. That's how you roll.
So we got the